So first you're going to wash the tomato, then you're going to cut it into small pieces like that. Then we take an onion, we wash it, we cut it into those small pieces. And then you're going to use pepper. You're going to chop it into small pieces as well. Next you're going to add oil on the sufuria. Then we're going to take the onions and the peppers and put it on the sufuria. Add a pinch of salt. We continue doing that until the tomatoes have already released their juices, like that. Then you're going to bring a